Hello friends and welcome to Beginner Stock Hub. I'm truly happy to have you here. Today we are going to discuss a very serious topic. Yes, extremely serious. See, when it comes to the stock market, everyone enters with the same purpose, to make money. That's absolutely true. And as you already know, the market offers both trading and investing. But as I have explained many times before, if you choose trading as your primary path, then wealth is not going to be created. And I'm not just talking about making money one time, I'm talking about net money over the long term. Sure, maybe once you made 10,000 rupees, another time 15,000. That sounds good. But what really matters is at the end of the year, how much have you made? If by the end of the year you realize you're actually sitting on a loss of 1.5 lakh rupees, then what was the point? This is the reality of trading for most people. That's why you often see traders not really making money from trading, but rather from selling courses, because that's where they actually earn. On the other hand, let's talk about investing. Yes, it may feel boring to many people, but when it comes to creating real wealth, it is only investing that works. And you already know, investing takes time. Even within investing, the real money is made in long-term investing. Not short-term speculation, but long-term. And the most important ingredient of long-term investing is patience. Yes, patience is the key. But friends, let me be honest with you. Today's generation is losing patience. It's as if their patience battery has drained out completely. If patience is the fuel for long-term success, then right now we can clearly see that the fuel gauge is hitting empty. And how do I know this? Because of the constant comments I receive. People keep saying, "Don't make long videos, sir. Make them short. Cover everything in 1 or 2 minutes." But friends, some topics cannot be explained in 2 minutes. To cover something properly, to give proper examples, sometimes it takes 10, 15, or even 20 minutes. Yet people complain, no, cut it down to 1 minute. The truth is, people today are struggling to sit through long videos. And this is not limited to one age group. It's happening across all groups. Why is this happening? Because of our surroundings. Yes, surroundings play a huge role. Think about the ecosystem we live in. Food delivery apps can deliver to your doorstep in 10 minutes. Quick commerce promises groceries in 8 minutes, sometimes even 5. Entertainment is instant too. Scrolling through Reels or YouTube Shorts gives you one dopamine hit after another. Even cricket has changed. People no longer have the patience to watch 5-day test matches or even 50-over games. Now, T20 is the most popular format, and honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if in the future we start seeing 10-over matches. Why? Because attention spans are shrinking fast. Everywhere you look, people are being trained to expect instant results, instant satisfaction. And because of this, our ability to concentrate on one thing for a longer duration is vanishing. But here's the danger. Patience is the very fuel of long-term investing. If patience disappears, your journey in investing simply cannot continue. Think about it. If after just 1 year you get bored and say, "I'm tired, no results yet, I could have just put this money in a fixed deposit," then you give up. This is why most people fail at wealth creation. They expect quick results, and when that doesn't happen, they quit. And it's not just in investing. Let's take some more examples. Why do most people get attracted to trading rather than investing? Because trading seems like quick money. Put money in the morning, take it out in the evening with profit. That's the illusion. But practically, you already know how most traders end up in losses. Look at real money gaming apps. The government had to ban them because 45 crore people lost a total of 20,000 crore rupees every year. Why did people play? For quick money. If those apps said, "You'll get results after 2 years," no one would even download them. Similarly, F&O trading. According to SEBI's study, 91% of traders lost money, a total of 1 lakh crore rupees in derivatives last year. Why did they do it? Again, for quick money. Scammers know this too. That's why they show you luxury cars, big houses, and sell dreams. They know patience doesn't sell, quick money does.
And scams like the Taurus scam in Mumbai happened for the same reason. The promise of doubling your money in just weeks. People fell for it because they wanted fast results. But let's be realistic. If wealth could be created so fast, Wouldn't Ambani or Adani be doing it? Even they build businesses slowly, earning 15 to 20% per year. Yet common people fall into traps because of greed and impatience. Warren Buffett explained it perfectly. You cannot produce a baby in 1 month by getting 9 women pregnant. Some things simply take time. Investing is one of them. And this problem is everywhere, even in learning. People want me to teach the stock market in 2 minutes. But 2-minute Maggi noodles are fine, not 2-minute stock market education. You can't understand deep concepts in 2 minutes. The proof? Try recalling the first 5 reels or shorts you watched today. Chances are you won't remember even one. But if you watched a long video, something from it will stay in your memory. Short-term learning leads to short-term memory. Long-term learning creates lasting understanding. And that's exactly what the stock market demands. Deep study, patience, and long-term thinking. So friends, the conclusion is very clear. Patience is not optional. It is essential. Without patience, your long-term investment journey cannot succeed. If you keep chasing quick dopamine, quick satisfaction, and quick money, you will keep failing. Remember, real wealth takes time, discipline, and patience. If you liked this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And here's a small challenge. If you've actually watched till the end, drop a simple yes in the comments. Later, just compare how many views this video got versus how many comments said yes. You'll see the difference yourself. Most people don't last this long, but those who do, the patient learners, those are the ones who will truly succeed in investing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and happy investing. If you found value in today's session, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Beginner Stock Hub for more simple and clear stock market knowledge. See you in the next video.